fried chicken liver with my sauce. So let's get into this video. Okay, as you can tell by the title, I am making some fried chicken liver. How many people have had fried chicken liver? Chicken liver. I've already opened it and washed it. Next, what I'm gonna do is season it. Very quick recipe. I'm gonna add some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, not too much of this. This is pancake mix. See if that pancake mix on your liver. We're gonna add some flour in a bag, because yes, baby, I'm frying. And when you deep fry, baby, I use a bag to shake my extra flour. Add just a little salt than that. I really don't season my flour. With the same season I used on the liver. The liver, chicken liver, into the flour so we can coat that. We want it good and coated. Good and coated. Ugh. Test your oil out. Just put some little flour in it. If it sizzles, that means it's ready to go. So shake that extra flour off. And let's get the frying, baby. See? It's gonna be nice and crispy. And when you fry anything, you do not want to crowd your pan. Last batch out. Yes. Nice and crispy. Yes, baby. Nice and crispy. And that's it. That's it. Nice fried liver. You guys, I want to eat it so bad. So bad. I know y'all want me to taste it. Let's see me crisp crunch on this liver. Ooh, hot. Good old fried southern country fried liver. There you go. Have some fried chicken liver with my sauce. Good.